everyone, this is Miss Russ with a tutorial on how to make easy popsicle stick reading pointers for your student. These are a fun and easy way to help students who may have a hard time following along when they're reading. All you need is a few household supplies. There will be a list of supplies in the description box below. So let's get started. Step 1 will be to make sure you have your supplies gathered. Popsicle stick or tongue depressor, paint, nail polish, markers, etc., stickers or googly eyes, and maybe some scissors. Next, paint or color your stick. As you can see here, I used red nail polish on this stick and it worked great. This is an example of the size difference of a tongue depressor and a normal popsicle stick. It really doesn't matter what size you use, I just had both sizes at my house. For the orange one, I used plain Crayola washable marker to color the background. Then I used a permanent marker to write on the stick. You can add a quote or your student's name. I also included the arrow so the student knows where they are supposed to be reading and pointing at. Next, I used washi tape as a decorative option. I just wrapped it around and stuck it on the back. Washi tape can be found at many different stores. I usually pick up a roll when I'm at the dollar store. Next, on this green one, I used green acrylic paint and designed washi tape. You can see the acrylic paint that I used here. Any paint will do. Just make sure it dries before you decorate. I just took this washi tape down the middle for easy and quick design. This small stick I used a teal acrylic paint with. I then added some glitter glue globs. It's still wet, so make sure you let it dry before you handle it. Lastly, I added small stickers to the sticks. The big pack of stickers I got at the dollar store a while back. Let your student choose the ones that they like best. For a fun idea, you can call it their reading buddy. I have also seen where people add the googly eye at the end, so it's like a little monster looking at the words. But I just didn't have any googly eyes at the moment. The point of the item on the end is so the student follows along with the words, like I am showing here. They use it as a pointer so they don't skip any. The stick can also be used long ways to keep their place when reading through sentences and paragraphs. Finally, it can be used as a bookmark. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. Happy crafting!